Hey guys! Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Asia, and here at Boldlyfearless, I want to encourage the everyday mom to be bold and to be fearless. And girl, as you can tell from the title, we about to clean out this refrigerator. Okay, so let's get ready. Oh, and by the way, here at Boldlyfearless, we do not judge. We might but it's a soft and not a whole okay? Okay. So with this French vanilla, that's a whole container of French vanilla, and I only got it for some cocoa, for some hot cocoa, but it was just too much chocolate, so I'm like over it, and I'm like, should I throw that away, because that's literally a whole thing, and I'm like, I don't know. And then that right there, girl, that's blue cheese, right? I always put that in my buffalo chicken dip, and that's like, obviously you can tell, a fresh container, and I'm like, dang, should I throw this away? Because I'm like, it's fresh, but I'm like, am I making any buffalo chicken dip? No. Okay, so we just gonna speed this on up, because y'all are just here to see me do the process. I ain't really trying to do the process, you know what I'm saying? So I got you, girl. And please, when I say please, I mean please, do not ask me why there is 4 containers of eggs and a whole bunch of condiments in this refrigerator. I have an answer, but I don't know if you want to hear the answer. But I'll tell you anyways. Okay, so I know I'm not the only one that has ever been at the grocery store getting dinner and was like, oh, there's a carton of eggs, or oh, there's some butter or some cheese in the refrigerator, and then go home about to cook whatever you thought you was about to cook and realize that there ain't no butter, no eggs, no cheese, no nothing. Like, or one better, there is a carton of eggs, but when you open up the eggs, there ain't no eggs in it. Yeah, between my husband and my brothers, that's the story of my life. So whenever I'm out, I just like to buy it, so therefore I absolutely know that I have it. So then that really truly explains why there's like so many condiments and so many eggs and all that good stuff. And I just want you to know that I put my butt in the camera about a couple more times, so girl, don't mind it. You know, that badonkle-donk just can't get out the way. I don't know what it is. And listen, y'all, I love me some 409. That 409 gets the job done. But baby, when I say I was like the whole way cleaning that refrigerator, that 409 is strong, girl, strong. So yes, I was getting with it, but I was getting high. See, here we go, badonkadonk, all in the way, girl. Like I said, don't mind me, don't mind me. Y'all, by this point, I'm getting tired, and I know for y'all like, girl, the video just started. Not in real life, because I don't know, like, girl, I decided at 5 a.m. I was ready to clean out the refrigerator for whatever reason. We're not going to talk about that. Basically, I had a bad dream, but it is what it is. Now listen, y'all, something about to come up, and I'm gonna give y'all permission to me, because when I saw this, I was like, yo, what in the hell? It's about to pop up in 3, 2, and a 1. Boom! The chicken. Girl, listen, I did not know that chicken was in there. Okay? So this is what happened. I took the chicken out, and that's what we were going to have for dinner one night, right? But that night that I was supposed to cook the chicken, girl, I was super tired, so we like ordered pizza, right? And I forgot that the chicken was in there, so I went on with life. And when I pulled that drawer out and saw the chicken, I was like, yo, what the hell? I'm so glad it wasn't live and was pre-recorded. Girl, I was like, what in the... Girl, listen, do not judge me. Do not judge me. Well, I did say y'all could, like a heart, me. But girl, don't judge. Okay, we're going to, matter of fact, just do a soft, okay, because... Girl, I did it to myself. I was like, what in the hell? But yes, I'm almost done, y'all. Almost done. We got 3 more minutes. Okay, stay with me. Stay with me. Y'all are just watching. Y'all ain't really doing it, so stay with me. And I'm about to show y'all what I'm seeing from my perspective of cleaning this refrigerator. Okay, I didn't know if y'all could see where y'all was sitting at. But yes, we're almost there. Stay with me. I'm back. I'm back. I know I told y'all to stick with it, and girl, I checked out on you. I know. I'm so sorry. We supposed to be doing this together. But I'm here now. Okay, listen, y'all. I got a question for you. So y'all see this drawer or shelf that I'm cleaning? Okay. So there was something like I'm wiping it down with the rag, and there was something like really stuck on there, right? And so I used the next best thing, and I saw a spoon on the counter. So I used the spoon, scrubbed it off or whatever. Now, do you guys do this where it's like, instead of putting the spoon in the sink, I threw it away because in my head, I'm like, I know I used this spoon to like scrape it off the shelf. And I was like, I wouldn't want that spoon to be in my mouth even though I already cleaned it. Like, do you guys do something like that? Or is that just like an Asia thing? Let me know down below. And y'all, I'm ready to check out. Like, truly ready to check out. And that pan, that was my what's that thing called? Tuna casserole. And okay, I know that doesn't look like, I guess you can say aesthetically pleasing, whatever, with the pan and the hamburger. But I didn't want, because I was about to make chili that night, I didn't want the meat, the juice from the hamburger to drip down into the tuna casserole, because that would be nasty. So I was like, I switched around just for that purpose. So, you know, now it's rearranged the other way around. Okay, so like, yes. Guys, guess what? We are almost there. We have like, I think like 40 more seconds. Oh my gosh, you are true troopers if you stay to the end, because she really appreciates that. Oh my gosh, because literally we are almost there. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I promise you the refrigerator is clean. It doesn't look like that. But remember, guys, be bold, be fearless, and most importantly, be you, girl. Bye.